I'm Celeste Tuasen from Philippines. Working as an online ESL teacher has been a dynamic and rewarding experience. I've had the opportunity to teach students from diverse backgrounds, ranging from young children in Asia to adult professionals in Europe and Latin America. Each student brings a unique cultural perspective, which makes every lesson both a teaching and learning experience. With 6 years of experience teaching English online, I have earned certificates like TESOL and TALE, EFK or English for Kids, and TEFL to strengthen my teaching skills. I focus on delivering interactive, student centered lessons that build confidence, improve communication, and adapt to the individual needs to each learner in a virtual environment. As a teacher, my main objective is to empower students to communicate confidently and effectively in English. So, what are you waiting for? See you in my class!